allowed to travel beyond the pleading. But
But the argument can be
but
also folded.
the argument, my lord, probably, my lord, may I suggest?
It's like
So
a senior,
ultimately,
and
my lord,
like you as a senior coming, you come to know that certain argument is required to be
My lord,
Patna College, then we'll come to the next university, then we'll come to the next university. No, it is not like that. All open category posts will have to be filled first.
Lord,
Yes.
Lord,
So there was some.
Yes, my lord. Pursuant to your lordship's last order, my lord, the officer, concerned officer with file has come. He's here, he's present.
Yes, what is your case?
my Lord, may I say, on 17/5/2017, Lord, a list, final list was produced, published, Lord, whereby petitioner is declared successful in 05 category, that is BC category, Lord. After publication of final result, Lord, one email sent by the respondent number 9 to the BPSC, Lord, and they modified the result. Resultantly, I was out from the 05 category, Lord, and respondent number 9 was shifted from 04 to 05 category. He filed application in 04 category. Final result was published on 17/5/2017 in 04 category, Lord. Modified result, when email was sent by the petitioner to BPSC, he modified the result and he shifted from 05 category to 04 category to 05 category, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, second point, my lord, if anyone, argument is, my lord, submission before my lord, if anyone wrong application is filled, then he should be either general category or, my lord, his form should be rejected. Second point, my lord, page 19 of the brief, my lord.
If he had not been shifted, you would have been selected
Yes.
in 05 category.
Yes, yes.
That is
Below-
against respondent number 9.
Yes, my lord. My lord, page 20 of,
He actually belongs to 05 category.
he filled up his
You
form.
do not challenge that he has been.
No, my lord, I am.
He belongs to 05 category. Was being shown in 04 category because he mentioned in his application form as 04.
04 category.
And 05 is EBC.
05 and BC.
05 is BC.
BC, my lord.
And 04 is EBC.
EBC.
So he was claiming EBC, but then he has been shifted to BC.
05 category, my lord.
After he had participated in the interview
Interview, my lord.
and result was.
Result was published. Final result was published 17/5/2017. Modified result published on 23/8/2017.
23/8.
2017.
EBC.
My lord, page 20 of the brief, my lord. Second argument, my lord.
Yes.
Respondent number 10, Preeti Kumari. Kumari Preeti hoga isme. He got merit point 108, my lord. General seat,
Para.
page 20, my lord, I am placing, my lord. Page 20 of the brief, my lord. I got it. My lord, got Bhupendra Narayan Mandal University, Madhepura. Last. Page 20 of the brief.
Yes.
My lord, Preeti Kumari Preeti, my lord, he is in merit list number 108. Seat for general categories 121, my lord. Preeti,
Bhupendra Narayan Mandal University.
yes, my lord. Page 20.
No name of Preeti Kumar.
My lord, I'm coming to the point. Preeti Kumari got 108 merit point, my lord.
Who is Preeti Kumari?
Respondent number 10, my lord.
Hmm. She secured 108.
108, my lord. Seat for general category is 121, my lord.
All right.
My lord, his candidature should be considered in general category. Now, my lord, Bhupendra Nayan Mandal University, my lord. Santosh Kumar Singh, 112. Sanjeev Kumar Jha, 114.
Total sir vacancy 1339. So no so कांग्रेस eligible हुए interview पे. लेकिन I
They have been kept in general category, open category.
Yes, it should be considered in open category, my lord. No, not only that, my lord, before just Bir Kumar Singh University, my lord got it. Bir Kumar Singh University, my lord. Bir Kumar Singh University, general category post is 14.
Yes. 14
Ma-
or no, 13.
14, my lord. One DQ is considered, that 14. General category post is 14, my lord.
01 it comes to last is 13.
400 merit seeking.
My lord, the serial number 12, my lord. In Bir Kumar Singh University.
It is not 400.
Babita Kushwaha.
It is
It is 115, my lord.
403.
Whereas Preeti Kumari is 108, my lord.
So
Next.
she could have been
Is seated
either
in
in
any general category. my
Bir
lord.
Kanwar Singh or in Bhupendra Nair. This is what you are saying? Anywhere she could have been.
Anywhere she could. He applied in BCL category, 06 category, my lord. He is eligible to be appointed in general category. What BPSC has done, my lord, he shifted his category from BCL to 05, my lord.
Consists of SC, ST, BB.
Preeti Kumari.
Yes, my lord.
Merit है तो
My lord, mega city case and Saurabh Jadhav, if he candidate last more marks than last general category, then he should be shifted in general category, my lord.
Yes.
The Rajasthan High Court mega cities case concerned, they are considered in Saurabh Jadhav case also, my lord. They have said, my lord.
That is all.
That is.
Yes, yes, Mr. Shah.
Lords, it's a fact that in the application form, this Manish Jaiswal, my lord, mention his caste as Kalwar. And Kalwar caste, my lord, is backward 05. Of course, my lords, in the category, he mentioned 04. In code, my lords, he mentioned 04 instead of 05.
he was called for interview.
For interview, my lords, at the time of interview, the candidates who are successful in the main exam are required to fill up a form that is called Prapatra Ka. Now, in that Prapatra Ka, he mentioned rightly as caste Kalwar, category backward class. Therefore, he was called for the interview
BC.
in BC category. Now, in the merit list, the petitioner position is 452. In the general merit list which was prepared, petitioner's serial number is 452, whereas of that Manish Milord is 423, much higher. Now, Milords, earlier, what my friend Milord is submitting, that since
453.
petitioner 452,
And respondents?
respondent Milords 423. Now, Milords, earlier, what my friend Milord was just now submitting, earlier, Milords, it had been that if for some mistake you mention as category, suppose 04 instead of 05, although the caste is, you have rightly mentioned that caste under the reservation rule belongs to the category of BC. Lords, the commission used to treat him as general category candidate. Lords, the matter came before this honorable court, and the single judge as well as before division bench, and this honorable court held ki for these minor mistakes, if he has already mentioned his caste Kalwar, and as per the reservation rule, Kalwar falls within the category of backward, then merely because he has mentioned in the category as 04, he should not be penalized. Because sometimes, my lords, by treating him to be general, he may be ousted from the fray. Therefore, my lords, when in the Prapatra Ka, the form which he filled up at the time of interview, and he was, in that he mentioned as backward class and Kalwar caste, he was called in the category of backward, but somehow other, my lords, at the time of publication of the result, because in the original form that category G4, my lord, was there, his result was published, because he has a very higher merit. But when he is the candidate, that respondent pointed it out to the commission realized its mistake before final recommendation, and therefore the result was revised.
That is for respondent number 9.
Yeah.
And what about respondent number 10?
Respondent.
वो है कि मेरिट में 108 सीरियल
Oh, serial number ये merit list 108.
Lord, in BC, she has applied under both category, backward class as well as backward class lady women category. 3% reservation is that, Lord. Since having higher merit, she was in the backward category, Lord. The government
The
circular.
argument which is being advanced, Mr. Sharma, is that as she secured 108 marks,
Yeah.
108, she is higher in merit above, and she is liable to be placed in general, open category.
Merit comes
For the reason, as they have placed, that those who have been placed in open category have secured lesser marks. So you can't shift a higher merit person to a BC category, even though he or she has secured more marks.
Yeah.
That is the law. Right from R.K. Sabarwal.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
No, here, my lord, because it is merit come choice. Now take for instance, my lords, in the view, merit come choice. If a candidate belonging to reserve category, maybe BC, maybe EBC, now, my lords, if by virtue of his own merit, he or she comes within the general category,
Is-
number of
Is
seats.
it her case
Yeah.
that she has opted for remaining in BC?
Because her very choice, my lord.
There is another thing, that is Ramesh Ram's case.
Yeah, Ramesh
That
Ram.
Supreme Court said
Yeah,
that if a particular reserved category person wants to remain in reserved category,
yeah,
then that general category post will remain open for others.
naturally,
That is what it has said.
Yeah.
There is the option of this lady that she wants to remain in BC category, or you have yourself done it.
No, Lord, since she had indicated,
That she will naturally say in her form
so,
that she is from BC category, but if she secures marks, which brings her higher in merit,
yeah,
and she comes in the open category, then the law is that even though she may be from any particular community,
yeah,
she may be from SC, she may be from BC or any lady, but she gets her own merit, she comes in open category.
Yeah.
That is what Saurabh Kumar, the
Yes, my lord.
judgment of
Yeah.
3 judges bench,
Yes, my lord.
So-
this call has just
Yes, Mr. Sir.
delivered.
now, my lord,
a-
where?
Yes, my lord.
In the merit come choice, if suppose her first preference is, take for instance, Patna University. Now, by virtue of her position in the merit list as a general category candidate, she is not able to get Patna University, then certainly, my lords, the commission is, in view of Ramesh Ram case, is required to consider whether by virtue of shifting her to her.
No, that has been negated by the Supreme Court.
No,
It said,
no.
no, you first fill all the open category post,
My
in
lord-
all the colleges.
Ramesh Ram case, my lords.
Ramesh Ram is an option.
So option, my lord,
Fill
yeah.
up, if you are filling, say for example, a student, a candidate, while filling open category post,
Yeah.
law has now been settled. You will first fill open category post, all open category posts of all the colleges. You can't say that we'll first fill up Patna college, then we will come to the next university, then we'll come to the next university. No, it is not like that. All open category posts will have to be filled first. And if they have to be filled and somebody says, no, in open category I am getting, say, Veer Kanwar University. And the person, though higher in merit in open category, but doesn't want to go to Veer Kanwar University, and by being under reserved category wants to come in Magad,
Yes.
then he has an option.
So,
Then he eats away one reservation
but
post.
Lords, here, since she had indicated her first preference as a particular university, and by virtue of her position in the general category, she was not getting that first preference.
Then
Therefore, she was considered,
preference is not required. No.
Lords, that Ramesh Ram case, Lord, it's not even in
It will
the,
not come over the merit. A person in higher, otherwise merit
Lord,
index
take for
has been left away.
Lords, take for instance.
See, what has happened is that because you have given her, so she has eaten away the reserve post, which was available to this
Yeah,
person.
that is, Lords, the, in
And
Ramesh,
because of that reason, you have given open category, a lesser meritorious person brought in open category.
Lords, in fact, in Ramesh Ram, Lords, I can place that on, if suppose my Lords may adjourn. Ramesh Ram case,
Ramesh
Lords,
Ram, the specific case laid by Ramesh Ram before Supreme Court was
yeah,
that, look, I am wanting a particular, because as per roster, if he gets, he was in civil services.
yeah,
That was a case of civil services.
yeah, civil service,
Where as per roster, he would get his parent cadre,
yeah,
his parent state.
yeah.
So for that reason, he said, I want to be in the reserved category.
So that will
That
not
was
be-
only for the purpose of allocation of
Yeah,
cadre.
so here also, Lords, it's
Here
not-
it
The
is not
allocation-
appointment. He doesn't deprive a person from appointment.
no, it's not the Lords, there also, if by virtue of, Lords, take for
All
instance,
right, we will examine that. We will examine.
Lords, I will refer,
We'll examine it. But have you taken this plea in your?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, my lord, in paragraph 12 of the counter affidavit
All.
filed, my lord, we have stated that.
And what is the plea of the lady? Preeti has filed a counter. Anyone appearing?
He has not filed any till date.
Anyone
no
appearing?
written-
Moreover, my lord,
Anyone appearing for?
Because he has no case against me. So far my number is concerned,
No, no.
I am having much more number than all these people.
He is Manish Pandey.
He is not saying that you should be removed.
No, he is saying I should be shifted in BC female category. This is his, no. He has made his pleading. If there is a vacant post of BC female category, so irrespective of having higher marks, I shall be thrown on that post. And he should be shifted my place. He may.
I think
is
you have
that I
not
may
heard what
shifted
he was arguing before the court.
No, he
Said
has
you
written
are,
this.
you are for Preeti?
For Preeti.
Yes.
He has
You
not
have scored 108 marks, or is it
merit
correct or
serial
not?
108.
Merit serial 108.
As per 108, you come in, you fall in the open category?
Open category.
Have
I
you
may
been
go-
allotted for open category post?
I may go there, I have no difficulty.
You have no difficulty.
No difficulty, but I have difficulty if
Yes,
I am
then I
seated
will-
on the post
All
of
right,
female.
this is not the argument that
No,
you
no,
should.
I
No,
am-
no, this is his
I-
case.
Case,
No,
My lord, he has.
but
he
you
has
can't be
come-
forcing a person who is arguing in front of the court, the argument which is
Lord,
being
what is his
taken.
pleading? Kindly see his pleading.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, what should we do with the, what should be taken into, if an argument is being advanced in the court, that is to be noticed? Or what is pleaded in the file?
Point of law.
You
Mr.
tell us as a senior counsel.
Lords,
Advise us.
as so far I know, or I have been able to learn, Lords, is that
What is-
initially, Lords, one should not be allowed to travel beyond the pleading. But
But the argument can be
but if
folded.
the argument, Lord, probably, Lords, may I suggest?
It's like a
Ultimately,
senior, and
Lord,
like you as a senior coming, you come to know that certain argument is required to be.
Lords, ultimately, since my lord has to decide it, and that requires my lord's proper assistance. Let the matter come on any day. My friends should also go through the pleading. This side of friends should also
No,
go through
no,
the.
he says that he doesn't want to, because he must have seen it.
Yeah.
That there's the wrong pleading, he is arguing on merits. He says that she comes in merit. And he has got no objection going to the merit position.
I have objection if I am shifted on the BC female post.
Only that. That
Only
is
that.
all. So we note your argument.
You take instruction. You take instruction. Because the preference is of university also, which you have indicated.
Milords,
So
on that
there are
point,
2-3 universities where she can always prefer.
Milords, I will take Milord the instruction on this point, whether she is shifted in any other university,
Or,
whether she will die.
and already working, my lord.
Because potentially,
Both are
Milords,
already working.
Milords, one more thing.
All the time.
Milords, one more thing. There is no Milords doubt and cloud on my appointment.
There is only
They are
one
ex-
petitioner, na?
Yes, my lord, only one.
So the one argument will suffice with regard to the
My submission.
respond number 10.
Yes.
Is what Mr. Sharma,
Milord, one
regard to
thing-
respond
one
number
thing-
9, I think there's
Milord-
already a judgment, I have also given a judgment
Yeah.
on the same point.
Oh.
And there's a judgment of Supreme Court on Dolly Chandra's case on this point that a person's status as a BC or EBC cannot be changed by any person. You can't force that a person that you know you are from general category.
Yeah,
When the document is there on record.
yeah,
That is what is the basis for saying that this is a technical,
yeah, Lord's that.
we agree with that.
Yeah.
Milords, one point, Milords, I will
Yeah.
have to take instruction, whether this lady would like to go in any other university or not. Because she had given a preference of the JP University Chapra, she is a woman, she has family, and therefore she had opted a Milords nearby place.
My lord,
And Milord, she was allotted Milord the JP University in the BC category which she had quoted. So I
Milord-
take instruction on that point.
she applied BCL 06 and there is a seat vacant in BQ Kumar Sen University. my lord.
I had not applied in 06, I had submitted my application in 05. He has made a wrong
You
statement.
gave your written.
He has no documents,
You
my
give
lord.
your written.
Yeah, we have
I'll
not filed
submit.
any document.
I'll
till
submit.
date.
Only to that extent, don't
I'll
keep
give
it
you.
short so that we may be able to
Once
decide.
they have given, I'll submit.
All right.
Lots of life.
And he should also bring a documentary evidence that I submitted application in 05 category. 06
Yeah,
category.
आप ले आइए ना भाई.
Written submission.
I asked the lady whether you remember or not. She said, yes, I filled up my application under 05 category. But there was provision to fill up, give 2 categories. So if you are female, then you can mention 05 and 06 both. So I belongs to BC category, but I belongs to 2 categories, BC female and BC whole. So it's not a correct statement that I filled up my application only under 06 category, that is BC female. This is incorrect statement.
All right.